Beautiful morning, children. You're welcome to Divine Offspring International School Virtual Classroom. Our subject today is mathematics, and here in mathematics, we will be looking at a continuation of our last topic. Okay, our topic today is combined operations on equation. The first week we talked about addition, second week we talked about subtraction, multiplication, and last week we talked about division in equation. Then today we're going to look at the combined operation on equation. Okay, here are some of the keywords for you to note. We have combined, variable, operation, and product. Okay, and the last one is coefficient. Now, the materials needed for these lessons are: you need a book, you also need a pen or a pencil, you also need your brain. You need to be mentally alert for today's work. Okay, now let's look at combined operations in equation. Combined operations in equation. Now, here we will combine the four major operations that had been taught in our previous class. The first one is addition, the operation subtraction, multiplication, and division. Then we are going to combine these four operations in today's work. Now, let's look at the first example. Find the value of y in 2y plus 5 is equal to 13. 2y plus 5 is equal to 13. Then we actually are looking for the value of y. Okay, now solution, we have 2y plus 5 is equal to 13, right? Now remember the rules in addition, or the rules of adding, which says the box before the plus, we will do what? We will take away. The box before the plus, we will take away. Then you can see your variable and coefficient are actually together. It doesn't move. Don't forget. The only one that will move is your constant. That means the plus 5 will move, right? Then we have your 2y is equal to your 13 minus what? Minus 5. That will give us 2y will be equal to what? To 8. Then what do we have now? We have 2y from the last lesson I taught you last week. 2y is the same thing as 2 times y, right? Then we have 2 times y is equal to what? 8. Then what's the opposite of multiplication? Wonderful. The opposite of multiplication is what? Division. Then we have y is equal to 8 divided by 2. Then my y is equal to 4. Please take note, you need to take it one after the other. The addition or the subtraction comes first, then followed by multiplication. Okay, now let's look at another example. We have find the value of m in 5m minus 20 is equal to 30. 5m minus 20 is equal to 30. Okay, then we have a solution. 5m minus 20 is equal to 30. Remember the song. The box before the minus, we do what? We will add. Then we add. The box before the minus, we do what? We add. That's one of the rules in sub n. We treated that some weeks ago. Then what do we have? 5m is equal to 30 plus what? 20 plus what? 20, because we have minus right there, right? Okay, then 5m is the same thing as 5 times m from the lesson we had last week, which is equal to what? 50, right? Then the opposite, we have m is equal to what? 50 divided by 5, because the opposite of multiplication is what? Division, right? Then 50 divided by 5 gives us what? 10. That's actually beautiful. You can try it to see if your answer is correct. Anywhere you see m, you put 10. Then we have 5 times 10, that's 50. 50 take away 20 gives us what? 30. All right. Now let's look at a word problems that deals with this combined operation. I think of a number, I multiplied it by 4 and add 17 to it. If my result is 41, what is the number? I repeat, I think of a number, I multiply it by 4 and add 17 to it. If my result is 41, what is the number? Now we go back to it. Solution. We have, let the number be R. We don't know the number. Let the number be R. Now we need to interpret the word problems into an equation form. That means I'm going to write it in an equation form. Then let's go from the first sentence. I think of a number, let the number be what? R, right? Then the next one is I multiply it by 4. Then you can see I multiply by 4, we'll get 4 times R, right? When you multiply the number which is R by 4, you get 4 times R. 4 times R is equal to 4R. Now the next one we have, if my result is 41, my result is okay, I add 17 to it. Okay, I add 17 to it, it becomes 4R plus 17, right? Then the question now is, if my result is 41, what is the number? Then my result is 41, which implies that 4R plus 17 is equal to what? 41. You can see I've been able to write down or interpret the whole question into an equation, which is 4R plus 17 is equal to 41. Then what do we have now? 4R plus 17 is equal to 41, right? Then we have 4R is equal to the box before the plus. What do? You take away. Then we have 41 minus 17. 4R is equal to what now? 24, right? 41 minus 17 gives us 24. Then what do we do now? 4R is the same thing as what? 4 times R. Good. Which is equal to what? 24. Still the same equation. The opposite of multiplication is division. Then my R is equal to 24 divided by 4. My R is equal to 6. R is equal to 6. Then when you try it, you see you still get the same thing, right? Okay. Now, note this. The secret to success in mathematics is what? More practice. Then I needed to practice more to get the best out of this lesson. Attached to this video is some worksheets I'll need you to answer and submit to your class teacher. And I say bye.